Okay, good morning everybody. In this video I'm going to go over the weekly objectives for May 4th through May 8th, that is this second to last week of class for both my physics and honors physics classes. Okay, physics, here is the layout of our last week of official content. So this is the last of our units on electricity, and we will be finishing that up pretty shortly now. Okay, it did take us more or less the whole semester to finish Castle, given the situation that we have ourselves in now. We may have finished it a couple of weeks ago otherwise, but that probably would have been nice because we'd have a final. Anyway, yeah, this is the last week of content, so you're going to be starting that off with the very last worksheet, C6.4. It's mostly text-based questions, so you're going to see some questions and you'll answer them with words. There are a couple of math-based power calculations, but mostly what you're going to be doing is qualitatively comparing the power of different circuits. So it's going to say, this circuit has a 100-watt bulb, and this circuit has a 60-watt bulb. Which one of them is brighter? Which one of them has a higher resistance? That kind of stuff. And then I have another review guide worksheet for you that you'll do on Tuesday. I'll give you the answers to that in a walkthrough video, kind of like I did with the previous one last week. So I will make and post what might end up being 2 videos again, answering the questions on that worksheet. It will be posted after the review guide is due, so you won't be able to just turn that in, at least not on time. Okay, then I'm going to give you the final assessment of the year on the 7th, which is Thursday. Kind of like last time, I'm going to have that quiz open just on that one day. I'll open it from midnight to midnight, so you'll have the full calendar day to do it. And then lastly, at the end of the week, I'm going to give you some information regarding our final week of class next week and the completely optional final project. We're not supposed to be giving final exams, but we were told that we can give a grade booster kind of project for those students who need it. So I'm still kind of working out the kinks on what exactly I'm going to do, but I will give you some more information on that before the end of the week so that you can get started on it next week if you would like. Alright, honors physics. We are starting to get to a close. We have just a couple of assignments left, so here goes. You're going to start off this week with a review worksheet of this first half of Unit 6. It's going to cover information on voltmeters, ammeters, voltage, current, resistance, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's laws, those kind of things. And then the following day, I'm going to publish a brief review lecture and answers to that worksheet so that you can check those before you take the quiz. That's optional. There's no assignment. I have no way to track whether or not you actually watch those. So I suppose it's totally up to you, but that is quality information that is going to help you if you want it. Okay, tomorrow, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, is quiz C6.1. There is a second quiz on this unit, but this is the first one. You'll have a full hour to complete it, and that'll be due on the 6th at 4 p.m., so you just have to do it sometime before then. That quiz is not available until the 5th, so you'll do it sometime in between then. Then we're going to resume learning the material in Unit 6. There's actually not very much left. There's just these couple of activities and then one worksheet that you'll do next week, and I'll give you the last quiz, and that'll be it. Okay, so on the 6th, we have activity C6.5. We'll introduce the concept of electrical power and relate the circuits that we've been playing with to our prior knowledge of energy and the use of energy. Then you'll do another activity that doesn't actually have any real circuits in it. You'll just work on that on your own. I'll give you a brief video that kind of explains what it is that you're supposed to be doing. It's going to be pretty easy, but it might be a little bit confusing. So if you're confused about what you're supposed to do on that, feel free to come to me on Thursday or Friday during office hours so that we can talk about that. Okay, have a good week.